Hello, thought I'd take apart the radiator today. I took the assembly off while I'm doing the repairs on the Rover, and I just got it apart. And let's start down here. The front piece holds the headlights and everything, and the grill. Look at that. I didn't even notice that before until I started taking it apart. The big hole down inside. This side, not so bad, but I still see it. When I take the ring off, I'll be able to see back in there. I bet you it's all rusty too. So I'm gonna have to do a couple repairs on this. This will be easy ones, just with some simple sheet metal. So then this is the shroud that goes around for the fan. The top part's not too bad, but the bottom is just rusted away. So I don't know if I can maybe find another one, or maybe I'll try to fix the bottom of it with a piece of sheet metal. The hose coming off the side, and here's the radiator. I'm gonna take it to a local guy and see if he can fix it, recore it, or whatever, but I kind of would like to keep the original. So here's the top part, back, inside. This is the part that I thought was pretty cool here. It says Shirk Radiators Limited, Birmingham. So I don't know if that's original or not, or what, but I'm gonna go get her checked at a local place. Radiator, he said bring it by and see if he'll take a look at it and see if it's better to fix it or order another one. So we'll see. Doesn't look too bad, but down here on the bottom, you can see these are pretty rusted on the bottom. I don't think these will even be able to be fixed. So we shall see. Alrighty, see you later.